Hello, Lehigh Carbon Community College, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of making rules and not resolutions. We, human beings, are bad at following through with our New Year's resolutions. We've all made them, we've all broken them. We are bad with those things. We are better off following rules. They might be dietary, they might be religious, they might be personal rules, but we are better at following rules than following our resolutions. So if you want to make a positive change in your life, do something different, set rules for yourself. For instance, you might say, no cell phones in bed. I drink my coffee after exercise. Studying comes before watching TV. Or something like, for every soda, I drink 2 cups of water. While you might break these rules every once in a while, you'll stick with your rules much longer than you will your resolutions. Have a good one.